First of all, I would like to read out the profile of Professor Sadhan Kumar Ghosh. He is the Director General for Sustainable Development and Circular Economy Research Center, ISWMAW, and the founder and president of International Society of Waste Management, Air and Water, the founder coordinator, Center for Sustainable Development and Resource Efficiency Management, Jadavpur University in India, formerly a dean and faculty of engineering and technology, a professor and head of the Department of Mechanical Engineering for Jadavpur University in India, and formerly the director for Dattopant Tengadi National Board for Workers' Education and Development, Ministry of Labour and Employment, Government of India. Sir says his mission is catch them young, zero waste and circular economy in campus. So as on date, 362,000 students and teachers across 260 schools in India of different states and even Nepal and Georgia have been working with him in his mission. In November and December, the mission will be started in some schools even in Philippines, Indonesia and Kenya. So can we have a big round of applause for this? So it's great to see your profile, and I can see how many people you have contacted, and you have made a difference in students and children, children as well as adults. So great to have you here. And I think sir is having the team. So again I take a privilege and I'm honored to welcome Mr. Anjanellu, who is the Deputy Commissioner for GHMC. Can we welcome sir? And Miss Padma Bunde, who is the co-founder of CTY Services, working in the field of waste management and a member of ISWMAW. She worked as a consultant in state government and currently pursuing PhD focused on source generation. So can we welcome Ms. Padma? Please clap. And we have Mr. Saikesh Parchuri, the founder of Anyada Group, and he is having a degree in mechanical engineering and masters in social work, and who is an executive member of again ISWMAW. So can we again welcome sir? I don't think I have missed out anyone here. Sir, we want to welcome you also.
Thank you. Thank you.
So can we have a big clap again for sir? Name? Yes, sir. These children should know who we are welcoming, so we want to do it.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. I am academia from Prof K Ghosh. I attended his conference. I worked in Indian Railways in the capacity of additional secretary to the Government of India. I retired after that. My name is PVV Sachinarayana, IRSS 1984 exam. After my retirement, I took this circular economy as the PhD topic. And in that connection, I met sir last year in Getam conference. Since then, I am a vivid follower because circular economy, when I searched in India who are the experts, I got his name and only his name. And that is the kind of passion and the pioneering work sir has started. Now slowly, I think another PhD. I am also ma'am PhD scholar. I am doing a research. I completed almost my research thesis submission. My topic is CE transition through procurement, through public procurement. And ma'am is also doing it. Very few research works are there, but fortunately, we are doing this work as part of our culture. But that has to be made systematic. That's what the inspiration from this are. Thank you very much, ma'am, for being here.
Group of students are called here. You are listening carefully.